somebody from the south, someone in the east. You betray your people. Look at this agitation now for this. Is it Biafra? Biafra. Look at the agitation. Who are the people attacking Biafra most? Igbos. Shameless Igbos. Am I in support of Nigeria dividing? No. Am I in support of Nigeria separating? No. Do I believe we should be together? Yes. But even if you don't agree with the man who is your brother, should you say it publicly if you are not a fool? Can't you say it amongst your people? If today they get that Biafra, it's an Igboman that will scatter it. That's the truth. Wait. During the time of the Senate, when an Igboman became a senator, it was an Igboman that removed him. You remember the Enwerem, Chuba Okadigbo, Payosanyim? You remember all of them? It was Igbo that was removing Igbo. That was the first and the shortest Senate presidency we have had in this country. An Igbo man employs an Igbo boy to sell in his shop. He will wreck him. He will carry all the man's money, be buying land. He won't wait to be settled. The problem of Igbo is Igbo. I repeat it, if you sell your brother, even the buyers will not trust you. Even if my brother is saying something that is wrong, I'm going to correct him, but I will not do that publicly. I will fight for him publicly. I will get indoors and say, come, don't do this. Oh, he's wrong. But no. I'm not scared of anybody. I stand for the truth. I stand for the truth. To what stupid truth? I stand for the truth. I don't care whether we are from the same ethnic group. I stand for the truth. I stand for the truth. Oh, me, I cannot compromise. I cannot bend. You don't bend already. You don't already bend. You already bend. The state of the nation, if I should talk to you on what I suggest, what we need in Nigeria now is an Igbo president. An Igbo president. You want to create a job for youths? Get an Igbo president. The Igbo man by nature knows how to do business. So if he adds academic to it, he will know how to create jobs. But let me tell you the problem. When the Igbo man becomes president, the person that will remove him is an Igbo man. When there was Senate presidency, that was the first time in Nigeria. In 4 years, we had 5 Senate presidents. From Enwerem to Okadigbo. Okadigbo, Nnamani. Nnamani, Payosanyim. Igbo brothers kept removing themselves. The problem with the Igbos is that they fight themselves. That is why Masob can say, I'm not part of IPOB. IPOB can say, we are not Idigbos. Even if Masob is not part of IPOB, Idigbo is not part of IPOB, you don't say it publicly. You don't fight your brother publicly. Have a quiet meeting and address the wrong things you think are being done. That is why I cannot insult a pastor who insults me. If you are a Christian and you speak against me, if I've ever done it, I regret it. I will never stand to speak against, whether you are interpreting the Bible rightly or wrongly. So long you say Jesus, I will not fight you, because my Bible tells me in Matthew 12:25, a kingdom divided against itself cannot stand. In Christianity, there is no freedom of speech. Nothing like, I'm not afraid of anybody, that man of God is wrong. No, the Bible says in Ephesians 4:15, speak the truth in love. If you have something to say, say it in love. I can never respond to Christians who abuse me on social media. But if you are a politician and you come after me, I will give you the full length of my tongue and I will reply you in capital letters. Am I talking to somebody here? That's my opinion. If you want jobs for the youth, the Igbo man can bring water from stone. Anywhere. So if you want jobs, let him just add education to that business background. Igbos are the ambassadors of everywhere. They're the ambassadors. They're the ones doing well. But the people that will fight them are themselves.